Hey folks, how you doing? Thanks for stopping by to see us. I'm just working on the little cattle trailer, donkey trailer as we call it, that we just got several weeks ago from Shelbyville, Tennessee. A company out there called Select Trailers. They had a pretty good deal. It was a 2019 leftover. It's going to work out perfectly for us. We got hay in it last week from one of our friends down there in southeast Tennessee as well. And we're going to use this to transport the donkeys whenever we need to go to the vets or something like that. So it's a little bit high for them, so we needed to get a ramp. You could have built something, you could have bought something from Delta, very expensive. We found a company online that was called Discount Ramps. What we actually bought was a wheelchair ramp. It's a foldable wheelchair ramp that's rated for 600 pounds. Obviously our donkeys will never go over 200 to 300 pounds at the very most. I doubt even that much. I was just getting ready to paint up the holes that I drilled for putting on the ramp. So let me show you how it all works. Really cool ramp, comes with handles. And what I had to do is it comes with pre-drilled holes and pins that they give you. So what I had to do is drill a little bit of a hole in the bumper here. A little bit tough on the grass versus on a nice level surface. And they give you the pins. Hold it in place, and now it's real easy to go up and down. Again, this isn't level. We have to level this out to get the donkeys up. But what's nice about it, it's got the anti-slip matting on it, so we'll be able to walk the donkeys right up into the trailer, and then we can take the ramp, put it in the back of the truck, so when we get to the vets or wherever we're going, we can pull it back out, slap it back on again. So I was just getting ready to touch up, paint the holes that we put in the bumper for the trailer and clean it up a little bit, and I'll show you us going and getting it a couple weeks ago. Beautiful views, nice little tour, take about a minute or so. See you in a few. So today I'm headed out to Shelbyville, Tennessee. We bought a small little 10-foot horse trailer for our donkeys, and I'm headed over to go get it. So basically we determined that we needed to have a trailer for two primary reasons. Number one, God forbid we ever had an emergency with the donkeys and we had to get them to a vet. The best vet in our area right near us is the University of Tennessee. They've got a wonderful program over there and they deal with large animals. So that was the primary reason that we decided that we're going to get the trailer. But the secondary reason is to be able to get hay. In order to be able to keep these little donkeys fed, they eat about 4 to 5 pounds of hay each. The little boy doesn't eat that much quite yet, but he will. So that'll be close to 8 to 10 pounds of hay a day that they're going to eat. So we're going to have a storage and the ability to go get those and get quite a few at a time to make it easier so you're not running every 5 minutes. Finding hay in our area, as you guys saw from my last video, is not an easy trek. I'm not sure I want to buy the big 800-pound bales on a regular basis. They were close, they were nearby. I knew it was going to get me through for a while. And then now what we're probably going to do is look for a little bit higher quality hay in smaller bales. And we may have to drive a couple hours to get it. So that's going to kind of be the plan. So that's where we're headed today. So come on along for the journey to Shelbyville, Tennessee. I'll show you some of the sights along the way, and it'll be another exciting journey. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. So hope you enjoyed the views going down that part of Tennessee. Beautiful country down there. Absolutely gorgeous horse farms to drive through those areas. Absolutely beautiful. So it was a neat little trip. It's about 5 hours round trip by the time I got through doing the run. But it's a great little trailer. Runs really, really great. Tows very, very well. Thanks for stopping in to see us. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. Kind of show you the little things that we do on a daily basis around here at the farm.